How to put wallpaper from Pinterest. Welcome to Glitz Sorcerer. Let's jump right into the video. If you have found a good picture on Pinterest and you want to put that as your wallpaper, then watch this video till the end. The first thing you want to do is open your Pinterest app. If you don't have this application, head over to Play Store or App Store, search for Pinterest, tap on the install button, and Pinterest will be installed on your device. Then tap on the open option. Here, you first want to log into your account. If you do not have an account, you can quickly create one. After your account has been created, this is going to be the home page. Here, you can select whichever picture you want, or you can also tap on the search option and search for a particular picture. I'm going to search for wallpaper backgrounds. Here you can find different pictures that you might want to use. Select whichever it is that you want as your wallpaper. Now tap on the three dots at the top right corner of your screen. From these options, tap on Download Image. As you can see, the image has now been downloaded. Now open up your gallery and you're going to find that picture in your gallery. All you have to do now is tap on the three dots, then tap on Set as Wallpaper option. You can choose if you want it as your lock screen, home screen, lock and home screens. If you only want this as your home screen, tap on Home Screen. Tap on Done. Now if you head back, as you can see, the picture from your Pinterest has been put as wallpaper, and that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.